basic or the fundamental relationship between human beings and the nature is that of confrontational. And obviously, we have already talked about this conception of imposing human will on nature. That's totally modernist conception. Islam totally rejects it. But is the fundamental or primordial relationship between? Obviously, we are not denying that the relationship between one mode or one form, relationship between human beings and the nature can be confrontational, and that's what our modernity is all about. Because the modern conception is that of the sovereignty of human will. So that's why you can't establish the sovereignty of human will if there are forces in the universe which are not subservient to that will. So we are not denying that there can be a confrontational relationship between human beings and the nature. What we are denying is that that's what it should be. Or even if this is the primordial relationship between human being and the universe, as far as the basic human nature and the nature of this universe is concerned.